Okay, shining afternoon, everyone. For today, we're going to talk about, or we're going to study about multiplying binomials by a binomial and binomials and a trinomial using the distributive property. So for today, we are going to do this FOIL method, and we are going to do the distributive property. Now, as a review, what is FOIL method? F stands for first, O stands for outside or outer terms, I stands for inner terms or inside terms, then L stands for last. FOIL method is used to multiply two binomials. Pag sinabing binomials, for example, we have x plus 2 and x plus 3 here. X plus 2 ay binomial kasi dalawang term siya. It is a polynomial with two terms, x at saka 2, x at saka 3. Kitang-kita naman. Now, again, the steps in using the FOIL method is first multiply the first terms. We have x times x. Wait, let's use this red line. X times x. We have x squared. Let's use this color. Outside terms, x times 3. We have 3x. Another color, 2 times x, the inner terms. We have 2x. And for the last term, we will choose this color, 2 times 3. We have 6. Afterwards, after multiplying FOIL, you're going to combine like terms. When you say combine like terms, more likely, these are the two we're going to combine. Pag sinabing like terms or similar terms, these are terms that have the same variable, parehong letter, pareho silang x, and dapat yung parehong variable na yun, pareho din ang kanilang exponent. Parehong 1 ang exponent nila. Therefore, we are going to combine them. If you combine these two, the answer will be 2x plus 3x. We have 5x. 5x. At mahirap mag... Now, let's combine everything. So, x squared plus 5x plus 6. And that is the result, as you can see. Now, what is distributive property? Ginamit natin ito nung nagmultiply tayo ng monomial to a binomial and monomial sa isang multinomial or trinomial. The same process pa rin or the same thing pa rin ang gagawin natin. We're going to distribute. When we talk about distribution, we're going to multiply each term in the binomial to every term in the binomial or multinomial or trinomial. So, paano yun? So, for example, we have x plus 2 times x plus 3 or the quantity x plus 2 times the quantity x plus 3. So, first, gagawin natin, titignan natin itong part na to, x plus 2. Yung first factor. Then, sabi nga kanina, we're going to distribute everything or every term. For example, to x na to, i-distribute natin si x kay x. Meaning to say, we're going to multiply x by x. That is x squared. Si x ulit, i-multiply natin kay 3. Which will get 3x. Next, after distributing x, si 2 naman. Si 2, i-distribute natin kay x dun sa unang term. We have 2x. Ito si 2, i-multiply ulit natin to kay 3. And we will get 6. So afterwards, same thing, we're going to combine everything. Meaning to say, we have x squared plus 3x plus 2x plus 6. At sobra ng plus. Takpan ko na lang. Now, kukombine natin yung like terms pa rin. Katulad ng ginawa natin sa FOIL. Ang like terms dito ay yung 3x at saka 2x. And we will get x squared plus 5x plus 6. And this is the final answer. Now, if we go back dun sa kanina, the result is the same. As you can see, x squared plus 5x plus 6. Ito ay x squared plus 5x plus 6 din. So, pwede siyang gamitin sa binomial at pwedeng gamitin ito sa trinomial and multinomials. Let's have another example. A binomial times a trinomial. So, we have the quantity x plus 2 times the quantity x squared plus 3x plus 4. The 4 minutes na. So, first we are going to distribute x. So, x times x squared, we have x cubed. X times 3x, 3x squared. X times 4, we have 4x. After distributing x, C2 naman yung i-distribute natin. So, 2 times x squared ay 2x squared. 2 times 3x ay 6x. 2 times 4 ay 8. And afterwards, we're going to add everything or kukombine natin lahat ng pwedeng i-combine. So, pwede natin i-combine dyan itong 3x squared at saka 2x squared kasi sila yung similar terms. Ito rin 4x at saka 6x, pwede natin i-combine. So, pag kinombine natin lahat yan, we have x cubed, 3x squared plus 2x squared ay 5x squared, 4x plus 6x ay 10x, at positive 8 yung huli. So, this is the final answer. X cubed plus 5x squared plus 10x plus 8. Another example, last example. Wala 5 minutes na. So, we have this 2x minus 1 times the quantity x squared minus x plus 5. Same thing. We're going to multiply this 2x times x squared. We have 2x cubed. 2x times negative x, we have negative 2x squared. Then multiply 2x by 5, we have 10x. Next, we're going to multiply negative 1 kay x squared, we have negative x squared. Negative 1 times negative x, we have positive x. Negative 1 times 5, we have negative 5. Then let's combine everything. Again, ang makakombine mo lang yan, eto at eto. Because they are similar terms. If you combine 2x squared or negative 2x squared plus negative x squared, you will get negative 3x squared, 3x squared, and if we combine 10x and x, you will get 11x. So, pag pinagsama-sama natin lahat yan, you will get 2x cubed minus 3x squared yung nakuha natin kanina, and plus 11x minus 5. So, again, pag gagamitin natin yung distributive property, i-distribute natin ang bawat term sa bawat term ng isa pang factor. Isa-isa, mas madali to pag ginawa nyo isa-isa para hindi kayo malito. Now, for your activity for today, you are going to multiply the following. You can use the FOIL method or use the distributive property na lang, and you're going to show your solution. And if you have questions, PM nyo ako at 7 minutes na naman, and I'm gonna end this now. Salamat sa panonood and see you tomorrow.